Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing something a little different, a bit of a challenge for myself. I'm going to share the top 5 reasons why I still absolutely love my life in Perth, even after all these years. It's hard to believe, but I've been calling this incredible city home for over a decade now, and honestly, it just keeps getting better. There's just something magical about this place. From the absolutely stunning beaches to the surprisingly vibrant cultural scene, Perth has truly captured my heart. If I had to put my finger on it, I think what I love most is its unique blend of a super laid back lifestyle with a constant buzz of exciting opportunities. It's a combination you just don't find everywhere else. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. I've noticed people often have a few misconceptions about living in Perth. I hear it all the time. Isn't it too isolated? Or the cost of living must be through the roof. And I get it. I really do. I've heard those concerns too. But let me tell you, from someone living it day in and day out, the quality of life you get here is incredibly hard to beat. Sure, we're not Sydney or Melbourne, but honestly, that's a huge part of its charm. We enjoy a much more relaxed pace of life, which means less stress and more time to actually live. And yet, there is still so much to see and do. Another big misconception is that Perth is just some small, sleepy town with not much going on. That couldn't be further from the truth. This city has a thriving art scene, seriously amazing food and wine, which we'll get to later, and some of the most beautiful natural landscapes you will ever lay your eyes on. And then there's the community. I have to say, Perthites are some of the friendliest, most welcoming people you'll ever meet. It makes a huge difference when you feel like you're part of something special. So, if you think Perth is boring, I'm here to tell you to think again. I also think people sometimes get hung up on Perth's location, its distance from the rest of Australia and the world. But honestly, after living here for so long, I've come to see that as a massive benefit. It's like our own perfect bubble. We have this incredible balance of dynamic city life right next to pristine nature, and getting around is an absolute breeze. The traffic is nothing compared to the East Coast. Plus, our airport is modern and convenient, and there are plenty of direct flights to major international cities whenever you feel the need to explore further afield. It's the best of both worlds, truly. And the beauty of this place. Wow, Perth has so much to offer, from its breathtaking coastline to its scenic parks and gardens that are just woven into the fabric of the city. One of my all-time favorite spots has to be Cottesloe Beach. I mean, is there anything better than watching a spectacular sunset over the Indian Ocean with a cold drink in your hand? I don't think so. I also love taking a walk or having a picnic in Kings Park. It's one of the biggest inner-city parks in the world, and the views it offers of the city's skyline and the Swan River are just breathtaking. It's my go-to spot to clear my head and just appreciate where I live. Over the years, I've had the chance to try so many amazing activities here. I've learned to surf on our beautiful breaks, gone snorkeling in crystal clear waters, and explored countless hiking and biking trails that are just a stone's throw from the city. And let's talk about the food. Perth's dining scene has absolutely exploded. You can find everything from the freshest seafood you'll ever taste, straight from the ocean, to gourmet burgers that will change your life. I've been lucky enough to make some amazing friends through work and my hobbies, and we always have the best time exploring new restaurants and bars together. It's a city that encourages you to get out and live. But beyond the beaches and the food, it's the local community that really makes Perth special. There's just a great vibe here. It's friendly, it's supportive, and there are always events and festivals happening throughout the year. I've been to some amazing outdoor concerts, incredible art festivals like Fringe World, and I absolutely love supporting our talented local artists and musicians. There's a real sense of pride in our city, and people are genuinely passionate about making it a great place to be. You feel that energy everywhere you go. I think the moment it all really clicked for me, the moment my love for Perth was truly solidified, was during a road trip I took a few years back. I decided to drive up the West Coast, just exploring. I discovered some of the most stunning, untouched beaches and hidden gems I had ever seen. It was a complete eye-opener. It made me appreciate just how incredibly lucky I am to have this vast, beautiful wilderness right on my doorstep. It was on that trip that I realized Perth isn't just a place I live, it's a lifestyle. It's about a connection to nature, a sense of freedom, and a community that values what truly matters. Coming back from that trip, I just felt this overwhelming sense of gratitude. I felt so grateful for this amazing city and everything it has to offer. It reaffirmed that making the decision to call Perth home all those years ago was one of the best choices I've ever made. It's a city that has allowed me to grow, to explore, and to build a life I truly love. It's more than just a pin on a map. It's home. And I wouldn't trade it for anything. So, all in all, if I had to sum it up, Perth is a city that genuinely offers the best of both worlds. You get that relaxed, sun-soaked lifestyle, but you also have endless opportunities for adventure, career growth, and personal development. If you're even remotely thinking of moving here, or maybe just planning a visit to see what all the fuss is about, I cannot recommend it enough. Just come and experience it for yourself. Now, I'd love to hear from you. If you've lived in Perth or have visited, what are your favorite things about it? What are your experiences? Please drop a comment below and share your stories. I read every single one. And if you're interested in seeing more of my adventures around this incredible city, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Because in my next video, I'll be sharing some of my favorite hidden gems in and around Perth. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.